Hello friends, I welcome you all to MCK Tech Portal again. I am Mahantesh and today we are going to do quick unboxing and review of OnePlus 60, a latest mobile from OnePlus, an Amazon exclusive. The one which I ordered is 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant. Its MRP is around 41,999 and I got it from Amazon for around 38,500 rupees. For the details, please refer to the comment section below. So without wasting much time, let's get started with unboxing and quick review of OnePlus 60. So friends, this is the packet which I received from Amazon. They have introduced a secure package for costly items. You can see there is a unique Secure ID, and I have received an email with this unique Secure ID and OTP. I need to check this unique Secure ID on the package, and I need to provide the OTP to the courier boy. Then only I'll receive this packet, which is very secured, and even you will get instruction on the packet to check that the package is intact. So let's open the package. Here comes the OnePlus 6 box. Let's open. On the bottom we have manufacturer details and net quantity details. On the other side we have OnePlus 60 logo. At the back we have specification of the model. It says mirror black 128GB variant, and we have details on SAR value. It is a dual SIM mobile, so you will get 2 IMEI numbers here. Let's open the box. On top you have the OnePlus 60 mobile. It looks very nice. Let us check the content of the box, and then let me come back to the phone. There is an invitation letter, a word from Pete, OnePlus CEO. So we have a dash charger, quick charger, USB to Type-C cable, Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. Let's open this packet and see what all it has. It has a silica gel back cover, a very nice quality. Let's open this and see. It has one SIM ejector tool, safety information, quick guide, and some stickers with it. This is how OnePlus 60 mirror black mobile phone looks like. Very elegant, very attractive. It has a drop notch on top and on-screen fingerprint scanner. Let's turn on the mobile. Friends, let me do the settings quickly. I'll insert the SIM card later. Let me connect to my home Wi-Fi network. It's connected. I'll skip it for now. So friends, let me add face detection. Let me set a pin. It's done, friends. Now let us set the on-screen fingerprint scanner. Screen calibration default for now. So we'll go with a recommended OnePlus Slate. Okay, for now. This is how the screen looks like. You can see the notification. Let's go to the about phone. You can see the details about the phone hardware: 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Friends, out of the box it comes with Oxygen OS version 9 and Android version 9. Android version 9 is Pie. Touch screen is very smooth. You can see the beautiful water drop notch, and you have on-screen navigations. This is back button, this is home, and this is recent button to show recently opened apps. Backside is a mirror glass finish, and you can see the dual camera setup. One is 16 megapixel and another one is 20. It's both OIS and EIS enabled. Front camera 16 megapixel. From this on, I'm recording the video with my new OnePlus 6T in 4K with 60 frames per second. I hope this is much better than my old Sony camera which I used to use for making the videos. I'm really impressed with the back setup of the camera, which has 16 and 20 megapixel with OIS and EIS stabilization on it, and nightscape mode which they have introduced is really good. I will share some of the snaps which I have taken in very low light conditions, and it's really impressive for the price range. Even I have tried my hands on the front camera, which is 16 megapixel, but it doesn't have neither the EIS or the OIS on it. So low light condition, you don't expect very good quality photos, but yes, with the natural light condition and very good light conditions, it's pretty decent. I hope you guys like the video. If so, please like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get a notification on all my new videos. If you just not see something useful, see something interesting. Until next time, bye bye.